Good evening, everyone. So we've been pretty dry through a lot of today, but you probably noticed that there were quite a few more clouds today than there were yesterday. Now, if you had plenty of smoke, it might not have looked too much different for you, but from our satellite, it was definitely not as easy to tell where the smoke was because of the clouds ahead of this front. To go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer to us, we can see that the rain hasn't really reached us yet, maybe a couple spots in the highlands, but the NRV is still staying pretty dry. As we get a little bit later into the evening, and especially past sunset and overnight, we'll see this rain consistently moving in towards the east and helping to bring us some very much needed rain. Now, on the future tracker, as we get towards about 7 p.m., that's when it starts to cross over. I do think the future tracker is bringing a little bit extra rain than what's actually going to end up here, but this is still looking more impressive than it was looking yesterday. Through 10 p.m., more of our eastern spots are starting to get some rain, including northern Bedford County. It's not going to put out the fire, but any wet conditions that we could have would be helpful to get the ground a little bit more to where we should be this time of year. Through midnight, we still have some rain towards Lynchburg and Southside zones, and then by 3 a.m., we really start to dry out. There's not a whole lot of rainfall left through most of Saturday. Now, rain total-wise, our information's bringing in a lot more places getting towards 0.1, 0.2 inches than what we saw yesterday. That kind of cut off towards Smith Mountain Lake and then down towards the southwest. Now, I don't really think we're going to get more than a ½ inch towards Wytheville, but I do think those accumulations, especially towards parts of Bedford, Rockbridge, Amherst counties, could get up towards 0.2, maybe even 0.3 inches in the southern part of Bedford County and a little bit closer to Roanoke. Any of that rain is going to be helpful not only for this evening, but also for tomorrow. If the ground's more wet with those high wind gusts that we have, that does help to reduce the chance that we could have a spreading fire. But since we're not getting a ton of rain, we still are in a fire weather watch until 6 p.m. on Saturday for the chance of new fires to spread. Now, it's mostly through the Roanoke, Lynchburg, and Southside zones, but in the NRV and Highlands, I think it's still going to be dry enough that if there's a spark, it could spread. Now, tomorrow's going to be the worst of it because wind gusts are up towards 30, 40 miles per hour, but then the risk does go down on Sunday into the high category there. That's where we're staying on Monday as well, with pretty similar wind, pretty similar humidity. It's better. It's not perfect. We still could get some fire risk there, but it's a lot lower than what it is on Saturday. Don't need to tell you too much more that we're well below average for where we should be on rain, so this will at least get us a little bit more. If we could add a ½ inch, then we get to 0.3, and that helps us out. Now, on the smoke tracker, through a lot of today was pointing up towards the north. Overnight, it's going to ease off. That's the pattern we saw last night, and then trail down towards the south as we get towards Saturday. Especially Saturday afternoon, it spreads out with the higher wind gusts and moves further and further down towards the south, thanks to higher wind speed than what we had today. Overnight, temperatures fall back down to the 40s and 50s, staying a little warmer than we were this morning. Pulaski at 51, Roanoke at 51, and Lexington at 50. And then on Saturday, temperatures climb back up into the 60s, but a little bit cooler than we were today. Even some 50s towards the west. Pulaski at 57 compared to Bedford at 68 and Alta Vista at 70. After that front comes through, more consistent 60s, and we've got more temperatures dropping through the start of next week. For Sunday, we're going to be in the upper 60s. Monday, we're in the low 50s, and then we start to see showers that night that continue through Tuesday and into Wednesday morning. That's the real more impressive rain that's headed our direction. I think we might even get 1 to 2 inches out of that.